Good evening. Today is Wednesday, October 4, 2023, and here are the 7 p.m. SL Visayas results. Here are the SL Sur 3 Visayas 7 p.m. result for Wednesday, October 4, 2023. Here are the today's 10:30 a.m. and 3 p.m. SL Visayas draw result recap for October 4, 2023, Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 7 p.m. video for evening of Wednesday, October 4, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.